Good morning, third grade. We're on lesson 97. Lesson 97, and that is page 520. So open your math books, get your pencils ready. Lesson 97, page 520. Now, today we're going to be talking about multiplying three-digit numbers, and this is part number 2. So we did this a few lessons ago, but we're going to do part 2. So we're going to be reviewing it a little bit more and going more into depth and detail into it, okay? So here we go. We're going to do our new concept first, and let's read along on page 521, okay? To help them estimate the number of pennies in a full jar, Chad and Jody filled up one jar with pennies. Then they put 234 pennies in a second jar that is similar in size. So the second jar is only partly filled. Chad and Jody estimate that they would need 4 times as many pennies to fill the second jar completely. So they estimate that the number of pennies in the full jar is about 4 times 234. Now, to multiply a three-digit number with pencil paper, all you have to do, we're going to multiply the ones first, then the tens, then the hundreds, okay? So let's go ahead and do that, and I'm going to get a different colored chalk here. Okay, so 234 times 4. So the first step you're going to do is multiply the ones. That's right. So 4 times 4 first. What's 4 times 4? Good. It is 16. So where are we going to put the 6? That's right. And the 1? That's right. And we get to carry over to the next place value. Then what do? We multiply the tens place. So 4 times 3, very good. So what is 4 times 3? Good, that is 12. 12, and don't forget the 1 on top, we have to add that. So 12 plus 1 is 13, good job. And we're gonna put the 13 where? Good. 3 on the bottom here, and the 1 on the top, excellent job. Then the last step is to multiply 4 times 2. Very good. So the hundredth place now, right? Multiply 4 times 2. What's 4 times 2? Good. It is 8. And then don't forget to add the 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Very good. So we have our answer for new concept, 936. 936. Okay? Let's go to our example 1. Let's read it in the math book first, okay? So follow along as I read example number 1. So find the product, 8 times 125. So first we're going to multiply, okay? So the steps are in the book, but I'm also going to teach it up here as well. Okay, so pay attention up here. Here we go. 125 times 8. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply the, that's right, we're going to do the ones place. So 8 times 5 is, it is 40. Where are you going to put the 40? That's right. You're going to put the 4 on top and the 0 on the bottom. Excellent job. I'm trying to shade it in darker. Okay. Then the next step is, that's right, 8 times 2. So what is 8 times 2? 16. Good. 16. And then what do? Yes, we add the 4. Good. So 16 plus 4 is 20. Very good. Okay. Good job. And then what do we do next? The last step, right? We multiply the hundreds place, right? So 8 times 1 is 8. Very good. And then we're adding the 2, right? So 8 plus 2, 10. Very good. And then where are we going to add the comma? That's right. We go 1, 2, 3. Then we add the comma. Good job. So it's 1,000. Good job. Next example, example number 2. Let's go ahead and read that together as well. Here we go. Chad compared the full penny jar with a jar that had 300 pennies. He thought the full jar had 7 times as many pennies. So he multiplied 308 by 7 to estimate the total. What was the product? So we already know what product is. Product is what? The answer to a multiplication problem. Excellent job, okay? So we're going to solve and get the product. We're going to make sure we are doing step by step, okay? So follow along If you are still confused, this is another example of where we're going to review the steps one last time. So here we go. Example 2. So the first step we do is start in the what place value. So that number down there, we multiply the what? That's right, we multiply the 8 because that's the ones place, right? So 7 times 8 is, did you say it? Good job. 56. I'm going to put the 6 there. And 5 there. Then what do we do? 7 times 0 is 0. Good. And then, of course, we have to add the 5. So we're going to do what? Good. Add that 5. So 7 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Good. And then the last step, 7 times 3. So what's 7 times 3? Good. It is 21. Excellent job. And then we'll do the comma. Start at the end. 1, 2, 3. So 2,156 is our answer. And that's how you multiply 3-digit numbers. You start with the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds, okay? And keep practicing this at home. You can always do extra problems at home, okay? And trying to think, make sure you do your written practice and everything, all of those other things that we normally do in school. Miss you guys, and keep working hard, and have a great day.